am Bhalerao and today I am going to recite 5th standard English poem that is Bird Bath written by Evaleen Stein. Before watching this video in detail, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Friends, first listen the audio clip of this poem. The name of the poem is Bird Bath, written by Evaleen Stein. Let's start. In our garden we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles, neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Then they splash and splash and splash, splattering little shower bright all around, till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Let's start. Bird Bath. In our garden we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles, neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Then they splash and splash and splash, splattering little shower bright all around, till off they splash, singing sweetly their delight. Glossary. First, robin, a red-breasted bird. Second, flutter, hurried movement of wings. Third, splattering, splashing. Fourth, delight, joy. Fifth, brink. Age. Sixth, cluster, a small group. Seventh, flash, fly away with great speed. Question number 1, rhyming words. First, made, laid. Second, pool, cool. Third, brink, drink. Fourth, splash, flash. Fifth, bright, delight. Sixth, high, by. Question number 2, complete the following. First, in our garden we have made such a dash pretty little pool. Second, when the sun shines warm and high, robin dash cluster round its brink. Question number 3, write what you can do to welcome birds in your surrounding. And answer, we should grow trees, grass and flowers bearing plants to attract birds. Water sources in gardens like fountains and ponds to make it bird friendly. We can place nests with holes in the garden. Question number 4, rewrite the following lines in your own words. First, never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Answer. First, the poets had described the garden. On summer days, the robin visits the pool to quench their thirst, to beat the nest and sip the cold water. Second, dash till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Answer. The robins stop by the little pool in the garden to quench their thirst, delight with great joy and beat the nest, heat and sip the cool water and fly high, singing sweetly song of high. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Thank you. Have a good day.